Oh, keep them away from Poe. It's a brother and a sister.
They're 2 months old.
You stay away, Poe.
One's a boy, one's a girl.
Can I hold one?
Oh, and they got their little carpet.
Sit in there with me.
Like that. There. Oh, hold underneath it like that. There you go. Is that kitty your friend? Oh, I think she likes you. Look at this sweet baby girl. So the only way we can tell the difference between the little boy and the little girl is that the girl has little white paws. She's got little boots on. Little white boots. Still trying to think of names.
Hey, Mom, now can I go in there?
There's nothing to do in there, babe. Oh, if the kitty's in there, you can go in and take care of it. But right now, there's no kitty. Renee's holding that kitty, and I'm holding this kitty.
Maybe you have your whole life to hold one, so you're gonna hold one sometime. No, this to now. What? You didn't. Another turn now, and you tell you turn now, and now it might be my turn. I'm thinking it's too. No, that it's your turn and my turn. It's probably hungry. Do you want to poop?
Real soft.
Who waits at me?
I think so. I think she does.
Hi. Look, Mom.
Oh, shh. Oh, are they so tired? They had such a busy morning.
Sleeping for like an hour.
Yeah, babies need to sleep a lot. So you got to meet our new little additions to Squatternush Farm. We are so excited about our new little kittens. The girls have wanted to get a cat forever. Like ever since Autumn was little, she wanted to get a cat. But my husband is allergic to cats, so we were never able to get one because we couldn't have it indoors and we didn't really have space for an outdoor cat. So now that we have our farm, we can have our kitty. We already had Freddy, which was my mom's cat that she brought when she moved in with us. And now they get to have their own little kittens, which is a dream come true. They are brother and sister, and they are from some friends that had their cat have a litter, and they had 6 total in the litter. And it was 1 boy and 5 girls, which I think is hilarious because our family is 1 boy and 4 girls. And so we got the 1 boy and then the girl and they pretty much match. They look so similar except for the little white boots on the girl. What are you doing?
I'm watching the chickens while I'm eating the cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, we got a lot of cherry tomatoes on the plant right now. You just picked them right off the plant, and isn't that wonderful? That you can just go pick yourself a snack and then go watch your chickens.
Might not be wonderful, but it's really good. Delicious.
I think it's wonderful. Those chickens want some of your tomatoes. Ooh.
Fight over the tomato.
Don't fight over it. There's enough for everybody.
Oh, the bullet got it.
Did you bring any blackberries for the
No, I ate them all.
chickens? Oh my goodness. You should
They're
go pick some
delicious.
blackberries for the chickens.
Okay, fine.
They love blackberries.
Not my last tooth. That's just great. Mom,
Yeah.
I found 2 green peppers on the ground.
Oh.
I take them to the chickens, and I found 3 tomatoes on the ground.
Oh, yeah, they'll love those. Yeah, I think a deer came and chewed up on our pepper plants.
Mostly the pepper plants.
Thankfully, they were almost done with producing, so it wasn't that big of a deal, but they just really got a good snack of pepper leaves. I can't see you.
I'm up here.
Oh, I can hear you. We're working on making a walking path all through our property. So we're getting stuff cleared out, and my husband's been working real hard on it. Oh, there you are.
Hi.
Hi.
There's some blackberries up there.
So we cleared all this out of blackberries, and my husband put some extra logs and branches here, and we're gonna get it flattened out and then coated in bark chips, and it'll be a real nice walking path. Hopefully, eventually, we'll get a nice walking path all around the property, and then we can go take nice little hikes on our property. It'll be so fun.
Mom, there's some up there.
There's some up there you can't reach?
Yeah, you need to hold me.
Well, how about I pick them for you? You know, blackberries are almost done, but there's still some out here. They're nice and soft and ripe, and they taste so good.
And some are so icky.
Some are so icky, that's true. Wow, man. Gonna eat them all in one bite?
There's some right there.
Right there, huh?
I rate these.
You like blackberries?
Yeah.
Well, of course you do, because you're right. My goodness. You kind of eat like a monster, you know that?
Yep.
Are you a Levi monster?
Yeah. This
That one's icky, but these ones are good.
Yep.
All right, let's go over here.
Kittens or chickens?
And kittens or chickens? I'd rather have both. Kittens and chickens. Ooh. All right.
Oh.
You don't have to eat all of these in one bite, okay? Just take a few. There you go. Uh-oh. Don't lose it.
I
risked my life for these berries.
You're a mess, Levi.
You got a little something on your face. You got something on your face. Oh, you probably got it.
See, dude.
You're welcome.
Oh.
See, now you lost one. When you eat like a monster, sometimes you lose some. Kind of like Cookie Monster.
Yeah, right.
When he eats his cookies, he loses all the crumbs.
What the door I went up there?
I think I've gotten enough, man.
I don't have water in my tummy right now.
You don't?
Yeah.
I don't believe a word of that. I know you at least have a lot on your face. My husband and I decided that we're going to start a new diet fad, and it's going to be the blackberry cleanse. And it's going to start when blackberry season starts, and it's going to end when blackberry season ends. And you have to live outside. I mean, maybe we'll do like retreats on our property where you come and you camp outside, and the only thing you're allowed to eat is blackberries. And I'm sure people will try to make like blackberry smoothies and dried blackberries and all different kinds of ways to eat. You are a monster. All different kinds of ways to eat blackberries, but if you're a purist and you like are really dedicated to the blackberry cleanse, you'll only eat fresh blackberries that you pick right off the bush. And we're gonna have to collect up a whole bunch of like testimonials and before and afters, and it's gonna be the new big thing.
I'm a blackberry monster.
You're a blackberry monster?
Yes.
Yeah, I think they see you coming and they think, oh my goodness, look at that monster. Look at that monster. Look who came to say hi. Freddy has to come and say hi whenever we're out working. Oh, don't run away. Come here, Freddy. Come here, Freddy.
Freddy.
Little stinker. Here, maybe we'll walk up here and show the rest of the path that's made so far. Ooh, careful. You're going on the path like me?
Yeah.
That's so cool. We've been working so hard on this path, making it nice, and when it's all done, it'll be nice and flat, and we can take our good walks. So we got lots of stuff on the side here to kind of build it up.
I'm so heavy.
You're heavy?
Yeah.
If you say so.
Go up here.
You're so heavy to go up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, dirt make me fall down.
Yeah, I hope not. Yeah, so this is about as far as we've gone, and I think he's going to do a switchback. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I think he's going to do a switchback that way, and it'll go, I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go, but this is as far as we've gotten it. There's the barn, side of the barn. There's a chicken coop. House is over there.
There's Freddy.
Oh, there's Freddy. Please don't roar at Freddy. Freddy is nice, talking a kind way to her.
Freddy, come here, please. Come on. I'm not coming anymore.
No, I think the roar scared her away.
This made me not walk.
The stick made you not walk? Whew.
I got
Nice work. Freddy! Freddy!
Oh, my hand, please. It's so heavy down here.
It's so heavy?
Yeah.
What's heavy?
This hill.
The hill is heavy?
Yeah.
You mean steep?
Yeah.
Yeah, the hill is very steep.
I hear those chickens.
Yeah, are they laying eggs?
No.
Sounds like it. That's what they do. And there's the egg they just laid.
It's a little wonky.
A little wonky, yeah, it's a kind of a funny shaped one. Maybe that's why it was yelling so much. This is what we've had to resort to because everyone wants to smother the kittens all day constantly and fight over who gets to smother the kittens with love. So we got our schedule. Tally is in there right now.